This is Puja. Welcome back to our channel. I hope you all are doing well, staying safe. So, in today's video, we are going to talk about a new product launch in the market by Garnier. It is their Vitamin C 30x Booster Face Serum. I have been using this serum more than 2 weeks now. So, let me just tell you what is my experience with this serum. Long story short, if you all have watched my current skincare routine, then you all might be knowing that I was about to finish my face serum which I was using by the brand The Beauty Co. And on 9th of September I saw few of the reviews about this product by Garnier, their Vitamin C face serum, and out of curiosity I really wanted to get my hands on this product. I have oily acne prone skin, but my under eyes are dry. So this is how the product looks like. This is the outer packaging of the product. The price of this product is 449 rupees for the 30 ml of the product. Comes in a glass bottle with dropper. The consistency of the serum is very thin. So now let's talk about vitamin C and its benefits first. Vitamin C has antioxidant properties in it. It protects against UV damage caused by free radical. It boosts in collagen production, which helps in reducing hyperpigmentation, acne spots, fine lines and wrinkles. So, the serum by Garnier claims to get bright, glowy and spotless skin in just 3 days. It has brightening and spot reduction properties. It has fast absorbing formula and 30x vitamin C with yuzu lemon in it. It is suitable for all skin types and dermatologically tested as well. Suggested to use twice a day. Now let me tell you how you can use this serum. Take 3 to 4 drops onto your palm. You have to spread it across your palm and dab the serum all over your face and neck thoroughly using small and gentle tapping motion. This is how my face looks like after applying this serum. It absorbs into your skin quickly and definitely gives you an instant glow. But that glow doesn't gonna last you for long. It's been more than 2 weeks I'm using this serum, but I haven't seen any visible effects on my acne spots. It definitely provides a good hydration to your skin. After using this serum, I have started getting acne and small bumps all over my face. The one which is I'm having currently, can you guys see over here? This is the one. There were over here and all over my forehead and cheek area I started getting acne and small bumps. To be honest, there's nothing really amazing about this product. This doesn't do any wonders for our skin. I don't think I'm gonna repurchase this product again. I forgot to mention, I bought this product from Amazon. The packaging was not really good. It is a newly launched product, but the packaging looks very old, very bad, and the product was not sealed. This is it for today's video. I really hope this video was helpful. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, stay blessed, stay beautiful. Thank you so much for watching this video.